Hey you guys, it's Mindy, and I'm going to try to make this video real quick while my husband is outside. He's home for 2 weeks, because he had surgery. It's hard to make videos when he's home. I did open this, sorry. Oh, right. I already opened this because I got 2 things in the mail the other day, and I just kind of wanted to know what they were. I'm pretty sure this is Inlovearts, okay? I had no clue when I felt the package. I thought it felt like a stack of, like small paintings when they roll them up and they put them in a little stack. No, look, it's 2 boxes, 2 very small squished boxes. That's what we got, folks. That's what we got. 2 little squished boxes. Anyhow, I don't really care about the box. I mean, everything's coming out. It's all stayed in the baggie, but, boxes are a hot mess. It's like something sat on it the whole way here. Like I said, I don't care about the box as long as the contents are good. And look at the contents. Now, these were sent to me from Inlovearts, complimentary to review. I do that periodically for them, right? They have a little affiliation going on. I believe I can get your discount code, so I'll get you all that information at the end of the video. I do like Inlovearts. They have poured glue. Their drills are beautiful. They have nice kits. All right. So if you haven't checked out Inlovearts, go check them out. What is this? What is this? Oh. Okay, I got to figure out its orientation here. It's hard to tell. I got some smaller ones. What they do is they give me a dollar amount, so I could have gotten 1 large painting, but I opted to get 2 smaller ones, okay? Here is their toolkit. I like their toolkit. I mean, look, we got a big hunk of wax, but you see what that is right there, right? Bam. Who can't use 4-placers? And you have some baggies. I love that they send a 4-placer. Here's their drills. We'll pull some out, look at them in a little bit. Like I said, these are 40 by 30s, but they're actually going to be a tad smaller. This one has 20 colors. Now, it's really hard to tell what this is. I had to look at it twice. I got a dragonfly one last time, and I got a coordinating kind of matching butterfly one with all the, watercolor look. All right, so it's kind of really hard to tell what it is, but it is some butterflies. Okay, let's see if I can see it better in the camera. Okay, yep, here's a big butterfly here. It's all watercolor, so it all kind of blends together. Here's a butterfly, and then I think the rest are just flowers and plants. Now, it's supposed to be 40 by 30. You look at it. Is it 40 by 30? No. That would be the whole entire canvas. See? That's 39.5. So the image is 33.5 that way. And it is 24 that way. Okay? So the whole canvas size is what we're calling. Now, if you look at it like that, that's 30 by 40, right? But no. Poured glue, like I said, love the poured glue. Comes in great shape. Let's look at symbols. This is just, it's really hard to tell what the image is. I'll put a picture in here for you. But the symbols are clear as all get out. It's mainly letters. I think it's all letters and a number. I think I see 2 numbers, 7 and 4, 6. There's a couple numbers. But it's a watercolor image, so that's what makes it difficult to tell exactly what it is. But I'll try to insert the picture for you. Let's see, can we look at the camera and see it? I'll insert a picture. All right, drills come in the bags like this. Let's just show you a few colors for this one. And there is probably more than 1 bag of each color. There's at least 2 902s. Okay, so they're going to be multiple bags. But the colors are going to be beautiful. Burgundies. Look at that pink. Can you see that? Yeah, look at that pink. Light pink. We got some of this vibrant neon green. It's a whole array of colors. Blues, greens, there's some more of that light pink. There's dark purple, all kinds of colors because it is a watercolored butterfly, okay? So you're just gonna get all kinds of stuff. Here's a pretty blue right here. Love that one. All right. I will insert a picture so you can see what it's supposed to look like. All right. Okay. Let's look at the next one. Next one, I think the next one's funny. I had someone in mind when I got this one. I actually kind of showed the pictures, some pictures to them, a friend, okay? I was like, what do you think about these? I thought this was something they would like. So let's see. If I can get it out of the little bag. There we go. Okay, again, it's a 30 by 40. Oh my gosh, this is funny. This is so funny, you guys. It's cute. I'm gonna roll it back a little bit. The plastic on this is all, it's all over. It's way off the edge. Huge piece of plastic. Okay, so we have the same tool kit, of course. I love to collect the 4-placers. I do go through them. Again, the individual bags. Got a lot of white. Look at that white. Pinks, blues. We got a few colors. This image cracked me up. Cracked me right up. It's so funny. This one is supposed to be a 30 by 30. Look at that. Yep, it's a pig in glasses. Oh, isn't that funny? This is all gonna be white, this background. That's got 26 colors in it. This little pig. Isn't that funny? Little pig wearing some glasses. Hello, can I help you? Doesn't he look so professional? He is cute. Again, the drill field on these, you guys, is just very nice. I mean, nice, nice, nice. Isn't he cute? 26 colors. Wow. All right, let's look at a few colors. Yeah, they'll like the pig. They're pig people, that's why. So you got a whole bunch of this white. I mean, 5,200 white, tons, because that whole background, right, is white, okay? But then, I mean, it's very pastel colors. I don't think there's anything super bright in it. I mean, we got some black too. But then everything's kind of light. Light tans and browns and yellows. Everything's kind of more pastel range, you know? Look at that pretty blue. They're really pretty colors. Light pink, very light green. That's a really light green. So yeah, nice pastel colors for the pig. Isn't he cute? Isn't that funny? Yep, I saw that and I was like, oh, they will like this. And they do. So I kind of got it for them. With them in mind. Yeah. Anyhow, there's a little pig. All right. The butterflies, you're just going to have to see a picture of the butterflies. Because it's that watercolor and it's all kind of blending together when you see it like this, but I think it will turn out beautiful. The colors are beautiful and vibrant, and I think it'll turn out just great. It's just hard to see on the canvas. The dragonfly one is too, but you know, it's turning out. Okay, so that's what I got this time. Please check out Inlovearts shop. They have great products. I mean, look at the kit. I mean, look what you get. It's nice, right? Everything about it is nice. The symbols are good. This plastic's a little crazy. Okay, we got a little crazy plastic action going on here, but your glue's protected. You gotta hand them that. The glue's protected. Symbols are easy to read. They got nice drills. They have excellent drills. Okay. So if you haven't checked out Inlovearts shop, go check them out. They got, you know, they got a lot of stuff. And if you're into like card making and you have like the little die cuts and stuff, oh my goodness, do they have the die cuts. If I had a machine, I would get some of the little cuts, the die cuts, but I don't have a machine to cut them with. So, I mean, it doesn't do me any good to have, you know, to buy them if I can't actually use them. But the card making stuff they have tons and tons and tons of it. I mean, and they have really cute stuff. So if you're into that, check them out for that. They do have some paper. They have some stickers and things like that. And that's all for their card making stuff. They do sell the little machine too that cuts the die cuts if you're interested in that. Some of those cards they show samples of, they're just gorgeous, you know, beautiful. The ideas that people can come up with, wow. Anyhow, check them out. All right. So until next time, hit the like button, subscribe button on your way by. Come back and visit again. All right. And thanks for watching, you guys. And I'll talk to you next time. See ya.